Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to censor on Discord. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. So right now I'm going to make a censor. So first of all I'm typing a dummy text, and then I don't know the sign name, then I'm typing the actual text here, and after putting the text I'm again giving this sign, and here we can see the text is censored now. And if someone click on this box here, they will be able to see the censored text. So this is how we can do censor on Discord. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to unmute it. Thank you for watching.